issues of ticket system. Yeah, I mean that is the reason the game here to iqale 45 minutes late. And that on its own, I mean uma uzothatha 45 minutes ubo schedule for 3 o'clock. It does have an impact also kuma players. So psychologically idlala a certain role kuma players, but I'm also saying management yalama stadiums mabayi check into yama ticket. They must try to fine tune it, because from time to time siba ne problem abantu bayasogola ngalama ticket. Bafika stadium on time, but mawufika lama system wabo awasebenzi. The entire stadium ayina network. So that on its own nje yiyo into esibeka from a back foot scala nje. But over and above that, there was an incident yama officials were Chiefs and Pirates. I mean those I mean if bona kwama officials themselves bazoba at loggerheads bathini ngama fans, what needs to happen ke kuma fans? So those are the incidents that we need to rebuke ukuthi they are not needed ku football yethu. And who knows, psychologically they also play a part ukuthi abafana bazithole sebadlala ngendlela abadlale ngayo.